Wolf Gourmet's most advanced countertop oven offers all the benefits of a Wolf oven in a compact, energy-efficient form, plus new features that make countertop cooking even more convenient. The Wolf Gourmet Elite Countertop Convection Oven bakes, broils, roasts, proofs, toasts, heats bagels, and warms food quickly and evenly, thanks to 5 heating elements, intuitive controls, and advanced electronics. The interior is spacious enough to fit most 9 by 13 inches stoneware dishes or a 5.5-pound chicken. Get the precision, quality, and look of a Wolf oven in one countertop-friendly appliance. The Elite Countertop Convection Oven boasts heritage Wolf features like interior lighting, advanced convection, temperature control, and an integrated temperature probe. 7 cooking modes: bake, roast, broil, warm, proof, bagel, and toast offer the cooking flexibility to make everything from cheesy garlic-parmesan crostini to broiled lamb chops. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Advanced convection cooking. Unique perimeter convection thoroughly circulates heated air for even baking and faster cooking, reducing cooking time by up to 25%. Convection can be used in roast or bake mode with a simple press of the button. Number 2. Integrated temperature probe. Cook an herb-crusted roast, balsamic glazed chicken, or a sourdough bowl to your preferred internal temperature. The probe gives you precise control over the temperature of your food without opening the oven door. Keep an eye on the oven temperature as well as the probe temperature on the LCD display. Number 3. High-performance temperature control. Temperature is finely tuned and uniquely calibrated for the best cooking performance in each cooking mode. Intuitive controls allow for a simple selection of cooking mode, time, and function. 5 heating elements and advanced electronics deliver more even cooking performance for baking, broiling, and roasting every time. Number 4. A Wolf oven in countertop form. Enjoy all the features of a full-size Wolf oven, like interior lighting, precise temperature control, and convection heating, in a compact, energy-efficient form. Number 5. Advanced convection technology. Countertop convection oven continuously circulates heated air throughout for even roasting and baking with no hot spots. Number 6. 7 cooking modes: bake, roast, broil, warm, proof, bagel, and toast functions offer you greater control and consistent, predictable results. Number 7. Precision temperature probe. Offers the control to cook meat to an exact preferred internal temperature for tender, precise results. Number 8. 5-year limited warranty. Wolf Gourmet warrants appliances to be free from defects in materials or workmanship for a period of 5 years from the date of original purchase, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.